Hey guys, this is Brian from the Vintage Type. This Oliver number 5 is something a friend picked up for me at an antique little get-together at the Expo Center at Portland. It's pretty dirty, but it has potential. It looks like somebody put some cleaner on the decals so they're whited out a little bit. They're a little silver instead of gold like they should be. The caps are here. The ribbon tin covers are here. There's a lot of stuff that present that often is not. The ribbon vibrator's in good shape. It's a very early number 5, and it has the early pencil holder, and the little bar is still there as well. I was noticing the spring still has tension, but the draw cord is missing along with that clip. You can really see a lot of dirt and grime in there, and especially underneath. I just wanted to show you that. So what I'm going to do is try and do some time-lapse stuff here so you can see how I take it apart and clean it. Well guys, this is as far as I usually go with the disassembly. I can get to all the stuff way down in here to clean, oil, and adjust anything that needs to be taken care of here. I'll clean all my parts and I'll start with the reassembly in a little bit. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.